Have you ever wished for a magic pill to replace your workouts? Welcome to the world of exercise mimetics. These groundbreaking drugs aim to replicate the health benefits of physical activity without the need for exercise. But can a pill truly replace working out? Exercise mimetic drugs, often dubbed fitness pills, are currently under research. Compounds like LaKe, SLU-PP-332, and Betaine are at the forefront. They show promise by mimicking metabolic responses similar to those triggered by exercise and fasting. These drugs specifically target molecular pathways activated during physical activity. For instance, LaKe combines lactate and ketones, creating a metabolic state akin to intense exercise. SLU-PP-332 activates estrogen-related receptors, prompting muscles to perform as if they were undergoing endurance training. Recent studies reveal that exercise mimetics could revolutionize health for those unable to engage in physical activity. They may help the elderly fight age-related muscle loss and assist patients with chronic diseases like heart failure. Moreover, these drugs might complement weight loss treatments, aiding in the preservation of lean muscle mass. However, it's crucial to highlight that exercise mimetics are not meant to replace actual workouts. Experts stress that genuine physical activity offers holistic benefits, including improved mental health and cardiovascular fitness. These drugs should complement exercise, not serve as a substitute. Current research is still in early stages, focusing on preclinical animal studies. Human trials for compounds like LaKe are on the horizon, while others like SLU-PP-332 require further refinement. Experts predict that if trials succeed, these drugs could become available in 7–10 years. In summary, exercise mimetics represent a promising frontier in medicine. They could provide future solutions for specific medical populations. Yet for the general public, consistent physical activity remains the best approach for long-term health. Stay tuned as research progresses. Engage with your fitness journey and remember that pills should never replace your commitment to exercise. What do you think about fitness pills? Let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe. Visit menstruenorth.com.